The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montague County in north central Texas, northern Wise County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Chico, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Alton around 6:40 p.m., Forestburg around 7 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The current